Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. Till last session, we have learned time. Okay, and today we are going to learn week. Week means, how many days are there in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day and Sunday is the last day of the week. Look here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. These are the 7 days. And the spelling of these week days of the week. Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, like this. Okay, so you have to learn these spellings of the days of the week. Now we will see yesterday, today and tomorrow. Okay, the present day means today is called today. So today is Saturday. Okay. The day just before the present day is called yesterday. If today is Saturday, then yesterday, which day is there? Friday. Okay. And the day just after the present day is called tomorrow. If today is Saturday, then which day will come tomorrow? Sunday. Okay. You have to write this sentence. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day and Sunday is the last day of the week. Okay. And here also you have to write this in the notebook. Yesterday, today and tomorrow. The present day is called today. The day just before the present day is called yesterday. And the day just after present day is called tomorrow. Okay. Now we will see example. Here. Monday is today. If Monday is today, then which day will come on yesterday? Before Monday? Sunday. Okay. Yesterday's day is Sunday. And tomorrow's day is after Monday. Which day will come? Tuesday. So, if today is Monday, then yesterday there was Sunday. And tomorrow there will be Tuesday. Understand? Let's see another example. If today is Thursday. Okay. Today is Thursday. Then yesterday Wednesday. Thursday से पहले क्या आता है? Wednesday. And tomorrow means after Thursday, which day will come? Friday. Understand, children? You have to learn these days of the week, then yesterday, today and tomorrow. Okay? Now we will see some questions on the week. We will solve this fill in the blanks here. Number of days in a week is how many days in a week? 7 days. Okay. The 5th day of the week is 5th day. First day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. So 5th day is Friday. Then the last day of the week is which one? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and the last day Sunday. Okay. Now, the first day of the week is Monday. है ना? Yes. The day which starts with letter F. Which day is start with letter F? Friday. Now dash dash comes after Saturday. Which day comes after Saturday? Sunday. Sunday. So you have to learn the spelling of the days of the week. The day that comes before Sunday is Saturday. Saturday. Okay. Now fill in the blanks considering today is Friday. If today is Friday, then tomorrow will be, tell me. If today is Friday, then tomorrow will be, after Friday, which day will come? Saturday. Okay. Then yesterday was, means before Friday. Yesterday means last day of Friday. Which day was there? Yesterday was Thursday. Okay. Now the day before yesterday was means before Friday's yesterday, Thursday, and then Thursday's before day, Wednesday. Okay. Wednesday. Wednesday. Now the day after tomorrow will be after Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday, and then after tomorrow will be Sunday. Okay. Now children, look at this calendar. Look at the given calendar and answer the following questions. Okay. Look, here is a circle in 15th date. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday is there. And now we have to solve these questions. The day just after 15th is, on 15th there were Wednesday. Okay. 15th there is Wednesday. So after 15th, which day will come? Thursday. Okay. Thursday. Now the day just before 15th. 15th is Wednesday. So just before, that is Tuesday. Okay. Then if today is 15th, the day after tomorrow. If today is 15th, you know children, today is Saturday and today is 15th, then the day after tomorrow. If Saturday there is 15th date, then tomorrow Sunday 16, and day after tomorrow there will be Monday. Okay. And if today is 15th, the day before yesterday was, today is Saturday, and if today is 15th, yesterday there was Friday, and day before yesterday there was Thursday. Understand children? Now you have to solve these, fill in the blanks and these questions in the textbook. Okay, I hope you have understood about the days of the week. Thank you.